1957 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. Okay, it's a baby bird. Everybody's seen, 55, 6, 7 birds. This thing is done as you can get.
Top tier.
It is amazing. The beautiful frame off restored, 312 cubic inch 4-barrel, the Ford-O-Matic automatic. This thing's winning shows. It's got power steering, power brakes. It's got AC. If you're going to do one or you're going to buy one, this is the one. Just buy the best, and you'll never regret it. You only cry once, as Bruce Meyer says, if you buy the best.